Kini kalong ka jingpun bana kablawan lengba ka Central Recruitment Board lengba ka Meghalaya Police Shillong. Bat kini ka notification kalong halor ka written examination kaba nagliang jong ka CRB kalapan bana menta ka sengi disengap ha syabaro ki candidates ki bala apply bat ki bala pass ya ka PST bat ka PT subha ban page bat ban sengap ya kini ka video nadu basdang hadu ban nakut kanang pintip ya ki tarik bat ki jaka ki ba pihak pantau exam ti hadin ba pila dep ban yo sngeu ban tip ya ki chaka ki tarik ki ba phi pinto ya ka written examination subha ban download no ya ki admit card ki chong phi khnang ba phinla ban ra hakapor ba phi le ban tho ya ka te ka written examination jong ka Meghalaya Police. Shwa bangan batai bat ban pensngeu shipi ya kini ki tarik bat ya kini ki examination centers kan police shwa hakatin English nang ba kiwi ki jaj benriu lane kiwi ki parlo khamtam ki parlo garo kin sngutu nakabenta kani ka notification tisngap menta. This is information to all concerned candidates that the tentative program for written examination has been fixed for the following posts mentioned below. However, the conduct of examination is subjected to availability of hall or room. In case there is any change, the candidate will be informed accordingly. Serial number 1, post signal or BN operator, tentative date 10 of May 2025, that is Saturday, and timing 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Examination centers, all district headquarters. Second, serial number, MPRO operator, 10 of May 2025, Saturday, and time will be 13 to 14:30 anniversary unarmed branch constable, 11 of May 2025, Sunday, and the times 9 to 10:30 a.m. Fireman mechanic and mechanic, same date, 11 of May 2025, Sunday, and time will be 13 to 14:30. Number 5, fireman, and number 6, driver fireman, same date, 17th of May, Saturday, and time for fireman 9 to 10:30, and for driver fireman 13 to 14:30. And number 7, EB constable, BN constable, MPRO GD constable handyman, 18th of May, Sunday, time 9 to 10 a.m. Driver constable, same, 18th of May 2025, and time 13 to 14. And for the last number, UBSI, and here we have 24 of May 2025, Saturday, and time 9 to 12. And for the examination center for all the serial number and posts will be in all district headquarters. Di hangning an pansuthu no inagabanta jungi ki parlo khasi khamtam ki candidates ki bala apply nang ta ketika Meghalaya Police bat ki bala pass bha bat ki bala yo ru ban le banto ya ka written examination. Di nagabanta ka post ka banukong bat ka baar kata signal BN operator but MPRO operator kan de chipotrik naime aja arpsan di sisa jan nagamta ka signal BN operator kapor khnai hadu shiposteng nagamta ka pus MPRO kan de khalai hadu khatsau shiteng kata kebumut shibaje hadu ar shiteng mau ha but nagabanta ki unarmed branch ka constable but fireman mechanic but mechanic kan de khatwei bnai me kata gade Sunday but kapor namta ki unarmed branch constable kan de khnai hadu shposteng but nagamta ki fire mechanic but mechanic kan de shibaje hadu ar shteng nagamta ka pus driver but fireman kan de knyotrik bnai me ajarapsan taru gade Saturday Nam ta ka post fireman kan dei khnai hadu shposteng nam ta ka post driver fireman kan dei shibeje hadu arsteng nam ta ka post AB constable BN constable MPRO GD constable handyman bat ka post driver constable AB group kan dei khat pratrik bnai me Sunday nam ta ki post AB constable BN constable MPRO constable handyman kan dei ka por khandai hadu shpobeje ba nagam ta ka post driver constable AB group kan dei shibaje hadu R baje ba nagam ta ka post UBSI kata an sapolong ha ka arp sautrik ubnai me aja arpsan ka bdi ka singsai jan bat ka por kan dei nadu khandai baje hadu khat R baje banto ya te ka written examination ba nagam ta ki examination centers pade kan dei haman lai ki headquarter jong ka district kata ka pemut hai kitu ki jaka ki ba phi le ban le ya ka PET bat ka PST hai kita hi ki jaka phi la banyo bat ka ba tikana ba pintip sape hai ki admit card ki jong phi inda phi la de ban download hangno phio ya ka examination center te sumha ban page na admit card te shwa bangan penkut ya ni ka video sai sin pan nga kerpan biang ya ki candidates ki ban satho ya ketika written examination jong kita ki post beper hapo ka mekhlaya police kin snobha ban download ya ki admit card ki jong phi longba ka official website jong ka police department te kata ka ba phi la ban yo na do ka arpsan tarik banai april arjar arpsan te kan mau bha ka admit card ke jong phi phila ban download no na do ka arpsan tarik banai april arajar arpsan te shushuru na galyang jong ka mekhlaya police kala karpan ya ki candidates na ka benta bepinyo ya ki jingshai bat khamtam e ya ki jingkala ha ka rukom ha penyai ha ka yadi bat ka written examination ki candidate gen sumha ban page benya lomba ka official website jong ka mekhlaya police bakin yo ya ki jingtip ki babania bat ya ki notification ki ban dangkala lane ki ban dangwan lengba ka Central Recruitment Board jong ka Meghalaya Police. But shishuru yole se phi don kam ban ban kala lene ki jing bakla hai ki admit card ki jong phi te phin sobha ban shukol lene ban late lengba ute u helpline number uta ude u riu not lai lai iwe riu sau ar nhiều lai sai sen nganong riu not lai lai iwe riu sau ar nhiều lai ban pila ban koli te ki number hai ki kenta trekam ki jongki ba phinla ban verify lane ba phinla ban inquiry yelai ki jong ki admit card ki jongpi tetang kata hi I wish you all the very best penkre bha na ka banta kate ka written examination ya pi baro ki applicants ki bala yo lan bat ki bala pass bha ya ka PET bat ka PMT jong ka Meghalaya Police Kublai Shibun